Hey, this is Chad with NatMade Products, and today I'm going to show you how to properly season your cast iron pan. Cast iron can last many years, but you need to make sure you take proper care of it. Seasoning your pan is a great first start, so today I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to need is oil. Here's a list of the acceptable oils you can use to season cast iron pans. Next, you're going to need the cast iron pan itself. As you can see, this one is chipped and the old seasoning is cracking, meaning that it's ready for a new coat. And finally, an abrasive Brillo pad. Using a small drip of dish soap, start by scrubbing your pan aggressively with a Brillo pad. This step may take some time depending on the severity and the condition of your pan, but you need to make sure that you remove all of the rust and old seasoning still on the pan. Make sure you hit the top, bottom, and handle of your pan and rinse it with warm water to begin opening the pores for when we apply oil. Thoroughly dry your cast iron pan with a paper towel. Now you can set the oven temperature to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and while it's preheating, you can set the pan in the oven just to warm up. We're not actually thoroughly heating it, just getting it a little bit warm for when we apply oil. I'd recommend starting with about a quarter cup of oil. You can rub it into your pan using just a paper towel, but you need to make sure that you hit all the surfaces, including the inside, edges, handle, bottom, and the sides. There should be an excess amount of oil once you finish, and you need to make sure you dry this using another dry paper towel. You need to do this on all surfaces. Once the oven is heated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, place the pan in the oven upside down to allow excess oil to run off during the seasoning. This should take about 1 hour, and you can remove your pan. After completing the seasoning process, you're left with a pan that has a really nice glossy black color, which means that it is now prepared to cook. This pan is excellent to use as it's non-stick, cleans really easily with a CM scrubber, and it can be passed down generation to generation.